విద్యా రంగంలోనే అగ్రగామిగా నిలిచిన విద్యా సంస్థ మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. ఫోన్ 227115 మరియు 277022.
Hello and welcome to 10th class physics. In this class we are going to discuss chapter 1 heat. In this, the first concept is about heat. Before going to this concept, let us recall an activity of chapter heat class 7. Let us recall. Take 3 tumblers. Fill them with water. The first tumbler is filled with cold water. The second tumbler is filled with lukewarm water. And the last one is filled with hot water. I think you made the differences between these. Just ask your friend to come and put his right hand and left hand fingers, 4 fingers into first cold water, in the same way in the hot water at a time. You ask your friend to put your finger in cold water and hot water at a time. After some time, remove the both fingers at a time and put the finger which you kept in cold water into lukewarm water. What do he feel? Observe you. And the finger which is kept in hot water, ask him to again to keep in lukewarm water. Again ask him what is the difference he found. When you put finger in cold water and again in lukewarm water, you observe that your finger attains some hotness in the finger, and if you put finger from hot water into the lukewarm water, you feel some little cool when compared to the hot water. From this we can say from where the heat is transferred in both the conditions. Let us see first condition. In this condition, when you kept finger in lukewarm water, you can see that the heat is transferred from lukewarm water to your finger. Lukewarm water to your finger. When you remove the finger from hot water and kept in lukewarm water, the heat is transferred from your finger to the lukewarm water. I once again repeat this. This is the main core for heat chapter. When you remove the finger from cold water and again put in lukewarm water, from which body the heat is transferred? In this condition, the heat is transferred from lukewarm water, which is hot body, than your finger. Lukewarm water to your finger. In this condition, when you put your finger in hot water and remove and again keep it in lukewarm water, your hot water is more heat than lukewarm water. So when you remove your finger from hot water and put it in the lukewarm water, the heat energy is transferred from your finger to the lukewarm water. From the whole, we can say that heat is transferred from one body to another body. The heat is transferred from one body to another body. Coming to this concept, let us consider two bodies. One body is metal piece and the second body is wood piece. The first body is metal piece and the second body is wood piece. Put these two bodies in the deep freeze for 15 minutes. After that, you remove these two bodies and keep it on the table. Let us consider a table. Here is metal, here is wood piece. Here is metal piece and here is wood piece. And ask your friend to touch metal piece and wood piece at a time. Which body is much colder and why it is much colder? Generally we know metal piece is much colder when compared to the wood piece. How could you say that? As I said before, heat is a transfer of energy from one body to another body. When you touch metal piece, the hotter body is our finger, the colder body is metal. So that heat is transferred from my finger to the metal piece. Here it is also a colder body, but this is much colder than this one. Here also what happens? The heat energy transfers my finger to the wood piece. But the difference is there. What is the difference? When I touch metal piece, more amount of heat energy is transferred when compared to the wood piece. These both are cold bodies. My finger is a hot body. This is not I didn't keep this one in fridge. Only these two I kept in fridge. This is my finger, hot body. When I touch, what happens? Heat energy transfers from here to here. Here also same condition is applied. But we feel very cold in this condition because more amount of heat energy is transferred here. Here less amount of heat energy is transferred. This transfer of heat energy is in this condition we call it as degree of coldness. Just see a candle, a lighted candle. Just take your finger here. What happens? The heat energy is transferred from candle to the finger. Here which is a hot body? Candle is the hot body. Our finger becomes cold body because candle is more heat than my finger. So that when I bring my finger to the candle, I feel hot and I remove quickly. So here candle is the hot body and my finger is the cold body. So this is here in this condition it is called degree of coldness. Finally, what is the conventional definition of temperature? In this concept, what is the final conditional of temperature? Simply we can say the degree of hotness or coldness is the conventional definition of temperature. The conventional definition of temperature is nothing but the degree of hotness or coldness. When I bring it to the metal piece, it is degree of coldness. When I bring my finger to the candle which is lighted, it is the degree of hotness. Both are temperatures. So we call it the degree of hotness or coldness is the conventional definition of temperature. In this, I am going to ask two questions. The first question is, what is heat? What is heat? And the second question is, what is the conventional definition of temperature? The first question is what is heat, and the second question is what is the conventional definition of temperature. Please send answers to my personal WhatsApp group.